Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on Zengo wallet. We're going to open our Zengo wallet and then we're going to look at the bottom area here and we're going to see the buy and receive icon. Now there are two options to buy Bitcoin. We can buy it or we can receive it. We're going to go with the first option to buy and then we're going to search for Bitcoin by scrolling or searching for it in the search bar. However, we can see Bitcoin right here, so we're going to tap on it. And then here is where you get to put the amount. And then right here, you can see buy with credit card. You can tap on it and that will bring up three options. You have the first option to use your credit card, your Apple Pay or your PayPal with MoonPay. So any of these options is what you can use according to what you have in order to buy Bitcoin. The other option of buying Bitcoin is to use the receive option. We can do this by tapping on receive, tap on Bitcoin, and right here at the top area, you can see my BTC address. You can tap on the copy icon at the right side, or you can tap on the QR code, and this will bring up the QR code for you to scan it from another wallet. So using these two options, you can buy Bitcoin on Zengo wallet.